Welcome to the tutorial on creating global frameworks in Indicata. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of designing your global framework and linking it to a project. Start your journey by navigating to the Global Frameworks module. Once you access this module, click the New Framework button. Assign a name to your framework and move to the Data tab to fine-tune framework levels, columns, and permissions. For a deeper dive into how to configure your global framework, see the Configuring a Project Result Framework tutorial. Once your framework is properly configured, populate it with the result areas and indicators. For time-saving purposes, we will omit these steps and showcase a final global framework in this tutorial. However, you can find detailed instructions on how to populate frameworks in the Building a Project Result Framework tutorial. After finalizing your global framework, link it to a project to observe the project's contributions to declared goals. To do this, let's access our project and establish connections between the project and global goals in the Global Framework subsection. In the project form, use the Management menu to edit result area selections and define the framework levels that your project contributes to. After saving, your selections will appear with checkboxes ticked for them. Later, you can filter the view with the Show Only Connected Result Areas toggle, revealing the selected levels. Note that the parent levels of the selected items are displayed post-filtering as well. You can now add indicators to the selected framework levels. The set of the indicators available for selection is restricted to those linked to the specific framework level in the global framework. Choose indicators from the list to measure the project progress. If you do not find the indicator you need in the list, you can surely create it using our Creating a New Indicator for a Project Framework tutorial. In the final step, fill in the performance tracking table for the selected indicators. For a refresher on IPTT, refer to the Filling in the IPTT tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy framing!